The menu's looking like a minefield again. Fructose, lactose, sorbitol, where does it end? That heavy cloud, that sudden ache, feeling that familiar mistake. Just tired of the guessing game, calling, bloating by its
Welcome
name.
to the Laxiba app. First, you choose what you want to treat. Instead of selecting yes, choose your tolerance level if you want. You can determine that with our IBS navigator. Then click next. Now the portions that you tolerate are being estimated for you. To find a favorite food, enter its name in the search bar.
Finally choosing the quiet calm, walking out without that worry.
You can also find it by scrolling through the respective category. Here you can also find alternative foods easily. We hope you get comfortable with and enjoy your new Laxiba app.
I found the solution, it's already here. Laxiba, let the data guide the way. Potatoes, no more walls, hear how the comfort calls. Laxiba, feel the power in the palm. Finally choosing the quiet calm. Laxiba, your path to comfort. Laxiba, Laxiba.